welcome to my channel. It is Tay Rosé. Now for this video, as you can tell by the thumbnail, this is part 2 of a jewelry haul featuring none other than Navichic. I'm remembering to say it correct this time around versus the very first video. That is oh so embarrassing, but I corrected myself in the very beginning, so we good. So now for this video, again I'm talking about Navichic, and I'll give you some information on them. If you didn't watch my first video, I'll just tell you that my jewelry haul for another place got over 200 views, and I thank y'all for viewing it. And so Navichic, they contacted me and they said that they wanted me to do a review on their jewelry or showcase it to y'all, and so I said yes, I would love to participate in that. So I handpicked some jewelry pieces for us. Now I'm going to put it at the very end of this video, but don't go there yet. I picked out the first 4 pieces of jewelry over there, but in this video I'm going to pick out the next 4 pieces of jewelry over here. Okay, it is part 2 of our jewelry haul. I'm going to talk about Navichic quickly before I get on and going. On Navichic's website, it is very affordable. Anyone can shop on there risk-free, and you don't have to worry about spending too much. You can splurge on a budget. There are a variety of pieces of jewelry. You have your gold jewelry, your silver jewelry, you have your costume jewelry, and then you have what I chose to pick out, your stainless steel jewelry. I needed more stainless steel in my collection, so I said yes, let me go into the stainless steel section. And so far everything's looking good, and I actually am wearing one of the pieces right now. I wore it to work. I'm just coming from work, but I am wearing the necklace, which I talk about it some more in for part 1 of Navichic's review, along with the earring. The service is amazing. The people I spoke to are amazing, and you get your stuff in an instant. So if you are liking the products that I have so far, and if you like this necklace that I have and the earring, because it comes in a set, I'm gonna put my code on the screen. It is NVRose. You can get 10% off your next order. But I'm gonna stop chatting and I'm gonna get going. We're gonna pick out some more jewelry. I remember what I purchased, but I don't know what I'm gonna pull out my bag because I like to do a surprise pull. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull my first piece of jewelry. I think I mostly got earrings, but I don't remember. Okay, so now if you didn't see the previous video and you're watching this video, this is how they package it. Okay, so the first item that I picked out, and I'm very excited about this one. The first item is this elegant stainless steel heart lock collarbone necklace. So this pretty much is like a tennis chain for women. I got this for $3.76, but they dropped it down to the price of $3.02. Now, if you know me, like I have tons, I mean tons and tons and tons and tons of tennis necklaces. I'm just gonna take it out this thing because I no longer need it, and I have all my bling jewelry in a separate collection from my dainty jewelry. But I'm just gonna come to y'all so you can see. But yeah, this is the tennis necklace. I like how skinny it is, and then it just hits you with that. It's like a heart at the bottom, or I should say in the center. And I'm looking at the heart so far. It doesn't look like it's going to change because again, this is all stainless steel. And I like how this one you can do the tightest one all the way to the looser part. I'm gonna see if I can get to the tightest point, but we'll see. It looks pretty long, so I do not think it's gonna look like the rest of my tennis necklaces. But I do like how so far, like my diamonds are dancing. And by that I mean like that you can see like the shift is just like shining on them from me to you. I just love it. Like it does look like my diamonds are dancing. I'm gonna come to you so you can see, get a little close up. This is very elegant, hence the keyword. I love it also very much. Like how it looks on camera, I don't know if it looks on how it looks on camera versus in person. I know in person I can see the shift, but it is very simple, truly elegant. I mean, I wouldn't wear this to work because I just don't wear any of my tennis necklaces to work, but this is perfect for like like a dainty piece to throw on with like a simple top for dinner, okay? Because I know that's how I would wear it, but I'm happy to have something with a little twist on it, because like I said before, I have tons of tennis necklaces, and I feel like this is a little spin to what I normally would wear. It's like a different spin, and it's durable too. I'm not gonna do too much because I didn't wear it out yet. Time for my second jewelry item. Again, I'm not peeking. I'm surprised that I got a necklace this time around, because the first time I had earrings, and a necklace set, and then an earring, you know? But let's see what we get. My video cannot get any better, girl, from Navichic. This is the retro style copper ring with 18 karat gold plating and geometric zirconia inlay. Now this was for $3.03, but I got it for, I keep saying I got it, like, it now has dropped to $2.42, but I didn't buy it. I handpicked these. I'm gonna show you the ring before I put it on. I'm afraid to buy rings because they just don't fit my finger. Even the adjustables don't fit my finger, so I usually have to buy a size 5 or a size 6. I usually have to buy that. That's my ring size. So I might have to do another thing with Navichic, or like another order with Navichic, just to see if they have any size 5 or size 6. But like, look at this ring. Like, look at this. This is flippin' gorgeous, and I love the chain detail off to the side. And look at that zircon. I'm thinking this is gonna be the diamond dancing on me video. Like, I just love bling. Like, if you don't know me, I love bling, and of course it's a bit big, but I'm going to wear it on my pointer. That's 1 and 2. I will not be wearing this to work. And I love the cut in here. I'm gonna show you in a little bit, but I like how it looks just like the tennis necklace, where like it's not like, it don't look like fake, you know? It looks real. Like, I like that. Like the cut within it, it looks real. Like the diamond is actually sitting on there. I mean, let's see. I don't like how it feels on my middle finger. Ring finger is worse. I like it on my index finger, because I mean, at least I can like grasp onto it with my thumb and my middle finger. But let me just show you. Like, look at that. Beyond gorgeous. Like, I'm very happy to be adding this ring into my collection, because the last ring I got from another haul, it was horrible. Like, that quality, it looked very cheap versus this one. This one does not look cheap at all. It looks expensive. It is plated really well, and it's 18 karat, so that's a plus. And then this is zircon, but the zircon is top notch. Like, I just can't stop looking at it. Like, it is mesmerizing. Yeah, you better get you one of these. Word to Alyssa Marie. Like, my wrist clacking with it too. Like, that is not good. But I just love bling. Like, if you can tell by me just keep looking at this ring, like, I just love it. Let me continue, because I see 3 notches on my battery, and I don't want this camera to be disrespectful. So let's pick out jewelry item number 3. Okay, so we're switching it up to something more modern. This is the exaggerated stainless steel irregular water drop hammered earrings for $1.77, but it has been discounted to $1.42. So I'm gonna take it out, and you know, I like to check the post, which is so far the post is looking great. There's nothing that is bending. Listen. Does not sound cheap at all. As soon as they came together, it just is like metal. Nothing plasticky. But let me show you the earrings. Alright, so these are the earrings. Like, I have drop earrings that are similar to these, except they're blinged out. But these ones are not blinged out. They're kind of like grooved within. It's like, it's hammered in. Like the like what they described it as is a hammered in water drop earrings. Okay. So I'm going to take out this earring. Alright, I'm just looking at the picture for reference so I can put in the right earring. If you know the dupe, you know the dupe. I'm not going to say it on here. Oh, this is very cute. Oh, I like this. And it goes next to my hair too. Oh, let's come up to the camera. Alright, so these are the earrings. They look so good in. And say hello to my second hole. But it looks really good. It comes down to the jaw. To the jawline right in here. So something that is very subtle and appropriate for work. This I could wear to work. Because it's simple. It's not too much. It's light. It's not heavy. But then again, this is stainless steel. So it is plated. It could be 14 karat gold. Not sure if they said it in here. Okay, they didn't say. I believe they have two separate finishes. I believe they have a silver, but do not quote me on that. I just get the gold because I mean gold is me all the way. I'm a gold girl. And then we're gonna pick out our excuse me. We're gonna pick out our final piece of jewelry. So jewelry item number 4. More earrings. I feel like these earrings would have went perfect with my outfit today, but I didn't go through the other stuff. And I like to be mysterious when I pick out my things from a package. I like to do an unboxing, to say the least. But these earrings are the stylish stainless steel shell inlaid plain ladies ear clip earrings. Okay, that is for $1.77, but it has dropped to $1.42. So they pretty much are like the same earrings as my 4-leaf clover earrings, except with the exception of it not being a 4-leaf clover, it has the hand at the bottom. But these are the earrings, you guys. It is so cute. Alright, I'm starting to love these little earrings too, because you can dress them up, you can dress them down. Right, I'm gonna try in one earring so y'all can see what that is like. Ooh, I heard that snap. Like, it's gonna be snaperific. I'm gonna come to y'all so y'all can see how they look. It's very beautiful. I mean, this is like a different spin from my black 4-leaf clover earring, but this is very light. I mean, if you are someone that don't like that feeling of like the danglies under it, then I wouldn't suggest you buy it. But if you don't mind it at all and you want something light but appropriate for work or just everyday wear, this is the go-to. Okay. But that is the second 4 pieces of jewelry that I purchased. If you like anything that you saw today, it will be in the description box below, alongside the other information from Navichic that will also be in the description box as well. And you can use my code is NVRose for 10% off your order. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me. Also, do not forget to click on the notification bell so that way you are on the alert as to when my videos are out. I want you to comment below like which jewelry piece from this video was your favorite and if you're going to purchase it. There's also a couple of videos that are coming your way, and that includes a previous episode of Keeping Up with Tay Rosé alongside part 1 of the jewelry haul featuring Navichic. Okay, so I'll see you over there. Bye.